niya. Pwede yung luuyag yun. Uy, ginoo ko. Kaluoy sa akong baby. Uy, nagpanik. Ginoo ko ang katawan mo, day. Nagkurog-kurog. Don't be mad. Biglan. Don't be mad.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Nagluto ako ng breakfast ni Tami, yung French toast na with cinnamon, kasi cinnamon is good for the heart. Iwan ko, ginising ko siya, guys. Tulog na tulog talaga, guys. Parang maggising siya, pero parang ganito ba? What time is it? So, feeling ko gusto pa talaga niyang matulog, so pabayaan lang natin siya. Balik-balik natin itong damit kasi lalabas ako mamaya. Continuation tayo magdidig para finalize na ito ngayong araw. I know, galing ako sa labas, tinapos ko lang siya ngayon. Tapos na yung binili ko, na plant na siya. Ipakita ko sa inyo pag nalagyan ko na siya ng mulch. Are you okay, hon?
Yeah.
You're not okay? Why are you holding your neck? Is it painful? You're not fine. What is wrong? Stop sleeping. It's not good. It makes your, oh my god, that's the blood vein problem. So yun, guys. So ngayon, guys, tapos na ako dun sa labas. Ipakita ko sa inyo pagkatapos ko na siyang malagyan ng mulch. Pero nagka-problema ako nito. I think magto 2 years, magto 2 years na ito kasi last year ako nag-start bumibili ng mga plant dahil sa pandemic, di ba? So this one is, I'm having a problem. This is photos. Kinikip ko yung ano niya. It's a house plant. Living accent. It's a photos. So, yun. This can be in water. You can grow this in water. So magkakat ako. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And then, lagyan ito ng tubig. What happened, Han? Ito siya, guys. Hugasan lang natin siya, guys, ha? Pagkatapos, kung mamatay siya, edi mamatay siya. Bahala siya sa buhay niya. Diba? Yun lang naman yun. Wala naman akong problema doon. So, kung mamatay siya, mamatay siya. Bahala ka. Ito. May mga ugat siya. Kunin ko na ang lahat. Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin. Yes, it's freezing. Yeah. So, kinuha ko na siya lahat, guys. At, kukunin natin yung mga patay. So, yun. So, hopefully, mabubuhay. At natin yung pangit na yan. Okay. Yan. Kasi nag-research ako, marami palang mga plant na pwede mong i-ano lang sa tubig. Ito na siya. And, so ngayon, ilagay na natin siya sa jar. Ilagay.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah, only time will tell.
So ito guys, itong anthurium, I know it's water plant. I will probably transfer this to water. Because one time I told you, diba, na this one almost died because I don't water it. Because I thought they will drown. I was wrong. You have to drown it with water. So look, ang dami ng babies kasi I drowned it with water. May tubig sa ilalim, ang dami. So ito siya, hopefully mabubuhay to kasi look at that. Water planty. So, kukunin ko itong mga nilagay ko dito. Hindi ko sana ito gagawin, pero meron pala dito, meron tayong yung ginagamit natin, yung ginagamit ko siya sa fake grass. Ibutin ko siya, guys, okay? And then, look, ang daming tubig, guys. Oh, ang saya ng ugat. Look, kung makikita ninyo, oh, daming tubig, di ba? Look. So, ang gagawin ko is, kunin ko itong mga, dito ko siya ilagay.
I love you and I know why you're colorless. And I guess cause of that I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe, without you I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah, only time will tell. Only time will tell. Work it out. No, I know what is on your mind. I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just.
Okay, so I guess I have to separate. Madumi siya, guys, hindi siya totally pero linisin ko siya slowly. So ito na lang siya, hanap tayo ng malalagyan nito. So punta tayo sa loob ng bahay. Hugasan ko muna yung niya, guys, dahon. I will change, pag mag-change ako ng tubig, guys, hugasan ko na naman siya kasi meron siyang tawag nito, dumi. You know, hindi siya totally nalilinis talaga kasi mahirap siyang linisin kasi masisira yung ugat kapag sobrang linisin ko. Ilagay natin siya dito. Hopefully si Habs hindi maglalaro kasi mahilig sa tubig. So, here's the other one, guys. Itong mga ginamitan ko, ito siya. I-transfer ko siya, guys, kasi para kasi sa pasta, kasi ito, lalagyan ng pasta. So, pag makapunta ako ng dollar store, maraming mga ganito sa dollar store, yung mga mga glass, mga ganito, pang flower talaga. So, one day I'll go dollar store. Our anthurium is a water anthurium now. Okay, so this one I will transfer this. I buy another one for plant talaga siya in the dollar store. So
Seriously, you did this? Seriously?
no, you wanna eat it now.
Wait, what is this?
That's that's yours, love.
Yeah, but there's a bite out of it.
That's me fighting it.
Very bizarre.
Different what I
Well, you
bought.
buy them when they're $4 each.
How much is this?
$4 each for a package of cucumbers.
Adam's honey, it's pricey.
But yeah, I buy them when they're set up.
Hopefully the cat won't come here and play.
Yeah.
Did Roxy hear all the thunder?
Yeah.
Are you afraid of thunder? You're fine. It's fine, baby. It's fine. Look at your sister. Oh, she's okay. It's fine. Don't worry. It's really, guys, crazy. Yung ano, thunderstorm. It doesn't do warning thunderstorm, han. Umulan na siya, guys. Nag-thunder, stormy na, guys. Umulan na, look. Ang lakas ng ulan, oh. Malaki yung ano, oh. Ah, hindi. Hala. Brown out, honey. Now it's back. It's very fast. Oh, it's raining. Huh? Yeah, don't go out, this. Han, don't go out, Han. The lightning is really strong. It's really strong, love.
Okay, who wanna come out?
Han.
They're not gonna come out.
Hala, Han.
Misty bite.
Hala, Han. Hala, Han, don't go out, Han.
What? Oh, it's rain.
Hala, Han. Hala, Han. Oh my God. Han. Han, please. No, oh my God. Hala, guys, ano to, guys? Hala. Hala, tornado. Tornado. Oh my God. Oh my God. Get in! Oh my God. I just really closed the, ano guys, the window sa ano, sa shed at saka sa garahean namin. Kino-close ko lang talaga siya kasi parang umitim yung ano. Oh my God. That was like, it's like a tornado wind. Tignan nyo itong si Tami. Gustong-gusto niya to. Wow, it's pouring. It's pouring rain. Oh my God. Basa. Basa yung ano, oh. Na, andito na. Why you're hiding here? Hmm? Why you're hiding here? You're so funny. You're so funny. You're hiding alone, Han. like I'm looking, and then she's just here. Look, she's hiding alone here, like the tighter place. It's like, oh, I like here. It's like a tight place. Look. Guys, there's no electric whatsoever. Yung electric ngayon, time check, it is 1 o'clock. And then yung electric, nag-text sa amin yung electric company namin. Sabi pa, 5 o'clock daw magbalik. So, matagal pa yun magbalik yung ano, madilim dito sa bahay kasi nga sa labas madilim. Kasi sobrang... Andito yung storm sa amin kasi lightning and then thunder so close to each other like pew, pew. So, andito yung ano, storm. Anyway, well, hindi kami winarningan. Supposedly, yung phone namin is mag-storm. Yun kahapon, nung pumunta kahapon ba yun? Yeah, kahapon. Pumunta ako sa Adams, di ba? Ang nangyayari, so yung mga customer sa Adams, yung mga cellphone namin, tumutunog. Lahat. Sabi ko, ano to? Amber alert. Kapag ganun pala, kapag nasa labas ka and then sa public, and then kapag may amber alert, may alert, lahat ng cellphone talaga maririnig mo, as in lahat. Yung sa isa, yung, basta maririnig mo lahat, panic ka na lang. Kasi yun, amber alert pala yan. Yan, wala nang masyadong hangin. Pwede yung buhay si Misty, relax lang. Come in. Right here, boy. Come here. Dada's out there. Come here. Pwede yung luuyag yun. Uy, ginoo ko. Kaluoy sa akong baby. Uy, nagpanik. Ginoo ko ang katawan mo, day. Nagkurog-kurog. Relax na, relax. Oh my God, relax. 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 Oh my goodness. Relax, love. Relax na, baby. Oh my God, nag-shake-shake naman ito eh. Oh my God, you're shaking like crazy. Okay, nag-shaking mo ka. Uy, relax. Relax. You shake like crazy. Magpakubos. Okay, Kugos, come here. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, nagkurog-kurog. Oy, ginoo ko, oy. Nahadlok, ital siya, oy. Ginoo ko. Nagsishake-shake man. Shake. Kailan pa itong mag-stop? Misty, come here. Come this way. Come here. The two of you. Come on, Monkey. Come on, Roxy. Come on. Ah.
Okay. Let's find where mother and daughter are hiding. Not there. Not in here. Oh, jeez. Hiding in the bathroom from the storm.
Because look at this one. Oh, and I'm afraid to take.
Seriously? It's a friggin' thunderstorm.
Okay, you can go out now. Dada's here. With the lovers. Okay. Tommy was outside.
Yes, I'm outside. Oh my God. The horror of being outside. Look at all the birds that are outside. Are they worried? No.
Yun guys, dahil walang kuryente, walang ilaw. So yun lang yung sugat natin. Finally, nagagamit na siya, di ba? And then may hangin sa labas, so yun. So finally, magagamit na natin itong mga candle holder. Hindi pa tapos, takot pa rin. It's fine na, Rox. It's fine na. Okay guys, somebody commented not long time ago, the last time I make some banana bread. So ito yung ginagamit ko na measuring cup sa lahat ng powder, sa liquid, kahit anik-anik, ito yung gamit ko. But somebody commented says that this is only for liquid measuring. If you have a powder, you should measure it in different measuring cup. So now my husband react, what did he say?
A cup is a cup. Well, about what you're measuring a cup of. You're measuring a cup of liquid, a cup of powder is all cup. Now the ounces are different. Everything weighs different. Even liquids weigh different.
So the ounces is different. Look at this, guys. This is working clothes. So cup is a cup, no matter what measuring you're using, powder or liquid. But when you said ounces, it's a different, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
1 cup of sugar is still 1 cup.
still 1 cup of liquid, right?
Yes. How do they measure it? What do they use to measure 1 cup of powder?
Na-curious si Tommy kasi, I don't know, somebody comment about that cup thingy. So now I asked Tommy, what is the measuring cup if you measure
I don't
powder?
understand what they would think they would measure it with.
So guys, whoever commented, you are wrong. Because if it's a cup, it's a cup. 1 cup, 2 cups, powder or liquid are the same measuring thing. But Tommy said ounces. I don't know about ounce.
The sugar may weigh more than 8 ounces.
Okay.
If I put a couple rocks in here, it'd probably be more than 8 ounces, right?
Oh yeah.
Still be the same amount of rocks.
Okay.
I
So,
agree with you. If you put a cup of water, it'll weigh different than a cup of soda.
a different weighing because it's powder and liquid.
Ounces are a weight.
Ounces is a weight.
Oh, yeah, ounces, pounds, it's a weight.
Okay.
So, for practical purposes, a cup is considered to be 8 ounces.
So, that's it. Confusing. But, I'm just gonna, yun lang, inano ko lang siya. I just wanna say, sa may nag-comment kasi iba-iba. But, you know what guys? When I do garlic banana bread, it turned out really good. Especially the last time, right, Han?
Yeah.
It's moist. What?
I wouldn't want you to be stressed out.
You just want me to be stressed out. Anyway guys, Tommy is nakaka-stress. Nag-ano siya, nagwala. Kasi walang internet. Because of the rain and the thunderstorm, yung electric kanina, patay balik. Parang luka-luka ba. Nasira yung, is that a modem, honey? Router. Nasira yung router, so wala kaming internet. Nakapag-edit ako, buti na lang nakagawa ako ng thumbnail kanina. Buti na lang talaga. Wala tayong video if we cannot do a router tomorrow kasi paano ako maka-upload ng video? Wala. Na ano yan, na-stress ako dahil kapag ganito ng mga style, mga ganito, magwala yan. Hindi man magwala, parang hindi siya mahimutang ba kung sa Bisaya pa. Hindi siya mahimutang, hindi siya mapalagay sa isang lugar. Kailangan niyang ayusin kahit hindi na pwedeng maayos. So, meron siyang nilagay na sa kanya. Gusto niyang mag-work. What messages?
No, this stuff.
What stuff? Oh, your thing? What time is it? Yeah, dilim na guys. 10 o'clock na. Dipe already anyway.
It's always good to let them out before they go to bed.
So yun, so... Ay! Hala, I laughed Tommy. Don't even get mad to me. Don't get mad because you do that to me a lot.
I do it to you when you go in the garage door.
You do it. His reaction, guys, is like...
You come out and say, what are you doing? And you come back in and just lock us off.
Don't be mad. Big lad. Don't be mad. Don't be mad.
Yeah.
I love you. So yun, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.